After the weekend, rotula na majita. Pusha that mission, bana bakozita.
Yep. Welcome back. It is what it is. Out on us dream.
RIP to somebody.
RIP. Yeah, man.
Não foi que ele quer trazer o vau por aí. RIP to DJ somebody. Martina.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Vai mafungo kosi basidiva out on us dream. Ndiana la mafungo.
It's sad, man.
Yeah, man. It's like every single day now.
Yeah.
Ndiana la mafungo. Ndinchivua ndione, ndichipedra ndione.
Watonga wo safe yabathu.
Muna. That's what I'm gonna MT akwamburi. Ndikale achikuona the threat and then just after
MT.
Yeah, the moment after somebody to tunchiwa, I wanna text it and the text kuri you are next. So poster ka social media chikwamburi or the bodyguard, the security, mini or the gadiwa na. I don't know ringasiri ni stunt or assistant, but yeah. Tangana.
Hey, abenga rofanga killed the wuya man.
Ndio bana video chiko dia majaivi yao wala. Nenda zofu. Nebona mtu asa kono jaiva mara ningasozo bonzora kono jaiva. O create me movie yao ide.
O create me movie yao.
Asa moves ne ya. Yeah man.
Memorial. Yeah, watu bane boamba mafungo ane. Yeah, ndabona zuri yandi bungana kuma. Ndi watu bene bochiraho naye. Ndi JR oamba mafungo ndabona watu bakongwana bachiri he understood the assignment. Yeah, oamba
odoro amba mi.
Yeah. Oamba mafungo ane. Yeah, mwana muope zako totela chitore chilako chifazori ya JR. Yeah, oleya down uri bothomisa hani mini this is for supervision and control mini and people were hyped region thing seem dope. The mutu seem dope.
Odota kana jijen
Rola tege seem dope. How to wala mun.
Oh man, it's sad. And then abangayo zinowa arari hube kamsikana umwana wa politician ati nandana no bapfa kane abantu aneba uri bawwa ne baone ne ba mapolisa na mini badawugidima badi bachikwambore ardobo wana zotopera maduwa mangana ardobo mini so ndizimozo zvinezvi yasumbedza uri utongari
no awuko lapho
awuko ndizimozo zvinezvi yasumbedza uri una vatu vanji zviambori case dzavo dzitoperera muyani ngori utonga hwandangiwo ri ndi nyene ratio kobona iteverera ene ndakasuzo radio.
Hey, nazore ndinyi olonga ochanda mini
aloro ambolo hish nozachi ndichinda zvitama ti the social media detectives ara hachi fiba konoida vajiwa uri vatotedze story chavo kote kana vamwana statement no nikobona nichikubreaka down zviti ngandena kwamba ngayo na mini like iningoni yadivoreti ya mini kavade vajiwa la vatu vatosvika vajeniso ngangomwe anenge wamba uri vadhiliwane navo vaambori ezo zvine vakomba zvone zvikobva gaya because remember vakomba the incriminating info wabona vaoincrimenta vamwe vatu zvine zvikosiya latovoralani wana uri mutu achava safe ukadenja zvino arizje like don't design mumwe mutu angadhiye atangane molona ona chikomuhwa kana yako mutazi zvinhu zvine zvamorizwa because of what somebody said on social media wabona so there's things man zvine vatu vakuzviamba ngandira ine machero iyo kana zvazvikuitwa kaya kana zvikuitwa family yavo I don't think they will enjoy it at all.
Hey, na footage yelani. Hey. Amara ngondi or AKA was not protected that day.
That day, like, it was not.
He was not protected. I
Like,
don't know who was supposed to protect him, but that day,
was too exposed.
that moment, he was too exposed. About Manaka said, "Dia bada." Oh, mangange bada.
I think they were comfortable with me. So I think that's why if they felt okay, there's no need, Yori. Maybe we can put that security morale ever tight in that manner. But as a big star or a big celebrity, always supposed to have the security details around
You
him.
can't be comfortable like that.
Come on.
Especially around Kofi. Allegedly, he was warned.
He said that mostly no
Nama freedom ngorala.
mostly again if you go cheer South Africa, you can't be Niki doesn't superstar, you can't be too relaxed because so I think security wise you're up to standard that day, to the way that we have seen it before. I think that day, it was not that strong. But this is life in these things when things are happening.
Yeah,
Control is one way and another.
things will happen.
Yeah, so zviambori zvazvikuti ruzvitea yarazvikuita zvoita ngeni landira ringasomere murao kana rakongwa ruzvichenchiwe zvive ngandira yaso.
But now I think AKA was no longer the AKA and but vachimudiva or arrogant or mini. I think that's why nafalo over easy. Over PC.
Remember what I posted last year? After chilling with him that day. I did mention Uri. I was chilling with Kenan.
Yeah.
Backstage. We were with Kenan.
Yeah.
Then when it's time to go on stage, he switched to AKA. That's two different people. And again, AKA will be making jokes, laughing, smoking his cigarette, or whatever he was drinking. Come on. But then when it's time to go to a stage, you will see him like jumping around. You know what? He's never comfortable on a stage. He's a guy that when every performance as important as it can be, or this might be like my first performance I'll ever one of the best performance I've ever done. So he always want to outdone himself. But besides this was career, he was in that arrogant guy that like people always say. But again, which want to understand Ori, how people approach some people. I'll give you an example. I've also told Cleo recently, last year or last year, I've been tweeted it and I've told him a couple of times, Ori, look, one thing is, people always say Cleo is arrogant. But the Cleo I met I think I was just after high school, I was still in high school, I don't remember well. For me, he has never been arrogant to me. But because of how I've always approached him, how I've always spoken to him. Because I think at the end I want to go mupupera kana ndiko tamtange noma. Ngabona zozula ndingona kama singotangana na MIZO platform da kuchimbira. MIZO that man tengana nrepele ma. You know that how people like
MIZO or repa chikotoda. Arepina batukana.
Uchifuna ndo repa.
So yeah, I think Mara that day he was
very relaxed.
Very relaxed. I think na watu ya wati nae mopete over relax na wone. Mara, you can't do that. You can't do that.
No, this is cheating.
And that moment in the moment ini. That moment is that moment where you like boom.
It is cheating.
Ndikombo rinamsara na mtu rumi wao. Hani bo kwambwa dzinla mtu akupa kubombera vikili. Ani hani na rai hey hoyo.
What the no, the thing theory. Na zambura kwa bakubidza mu. And zambura na yacho safe. because what was the real idea meaning yeah, tiro. Come on. And then one thing that really pisses me off about this whole thing, it's how NOTA runs around playing the Superman, saying all the good things, saying everything like and then in like in perfect good terms. What? And I think by the time he passed away, out was the Watanga.
Hey,
Out to Bonana.
what's so sharp?
Because hey, that's why I flew to Cape Town. What? AKS before he died, he did say all the information which he used against me. That guy he stays in his brain, in his mind. No kushango kwa zvine akuzviimagine udzura ndizvine kai uona in reality.
No, you for Zimbabwe.
Ah, come on. Udzuma mosha mimi. Oni abudza watu ndi kudzumba.
I didn't know. I've been a country how you would deactivate. Yes, chef.
Or deactivate any moon.
Well, Zimbabwe.
Ah, that guy, ne?
He's hiding. He's hiding.
That guy is, I don't know, man. Yeah, but I saw an article here Rabi Kwambori. Wakwambori ndiye ngori auna the fingerprint ka balcony and stuff. So, Maram, I don't know. Are these all to achieve always sad? But if we're was on Farapal.
Open fingerprint something not of wow.
I bet or the something at you was so far. I know the great granddad Dave. So, yeah, Marlera will come sorry.
So the tembe family chief said statement to Ray, but Richani or Pomoka Nena Mutawanga Naneroga Sada Nanerovia Racheranga. So we don't wish Mafungo I don't actually Momuta.
Yeah,
so Dingy, that was the word. I wanna know you.
I wanna know you. Maybe we're my police are one identity that I will have to shooter.
I was the Shumis.
No, they're busy piecing together data and information.
You know the
communication that will have to. Come on.
Hey, case I have a public whatever I do.
Hey, yeah, ne.
Hey.
Roviva.
CASSPER ndofala out ya mapolisa kana ndizone iko ambore rikocheka nazo obana bifi nanyi aka nami iko ambore rikocheka rana bifi nanyi. So mara I think we just would be very funeral even private and are you a public. What don't design my singadi.
Like people were gonna attack him.
You go wanna.
And the one not the number though.
Now CASSPER was singa yara.
Hey. One thing about that I don't understand. CASSPER asa ko post at work obuso rero zozora ngas post. Ati post about one just finga chinga na post. Someone to celebrate. You know what? So I'm thinking. I'm like, Jemori. What happens is sorry. Which have go fee. Never to want to drag higher, no create fake account to can open the account to just uri they can piss off people on social media and they enjoy doing that. And when I learned about group, enable Jurangamasi or say Wangazo, no one has on minipala. No one has on the Mukuzuri minipala. You're not going to do I have to go at a comment Gale. They're gonna come after you. Come on. But post a line of Bakari Mura aka. But the only to find out to finish up Ambori guys. We can see review never go better CASSPER. We went because you are the one in the Gomusemela citizens diva. CASSPER Uko quota lines from aka song.
Didn't matter I never not hit. They both
have hits, but what differentiates them is timeless.
Ndinyi.
AKA makes timeless music.
Yeah.
CASSPER
Amazo
makes
AKA
beats.
blind. Amazo zino AKA CASSPER. Angashaba blind ngora achivisa blind
No,
akutotowedziwa.
Udoba blind and Carl and Kenny last side you mean he makes hits. Like he knows how to sell a song in the last star.
Yeah, it's a hit.
He
But
knows,
at the last
he knows how to make a quick buck out of every song.
Yeah.
No,
but tomorrow
yeah, AKA would make a song that will take time for people to catch up to the song.
Abe beef za CASSPER zava kudisa AKA asetambio. Mara composure ya AKA
because he knew how to. You know when you lays your verse and the beats you use and how you design the whole concept and what are you making it to last longer? And you need to understand the difference between the two was AKA is a producer, a songwriter, a composer before he's an artist.
Yeah.
So he's able to craft how he wants every sound and I mean the beat, the sound.
He's a genius.
Look at all the hits. Look at all the hits he produced for other artists. I'm gonna cut it before I'm gonna start winning at the Ivy League. So look at how many hits he produced. Like Ivy League. So you see the difference.
Ivy League, Papa.
Yeah. So that's what people don't understand. Most of people, they just look at them as just artists. CASSPER can drop a hit or he can drop a swag song, and he knows one thing: the more you guys talk about it, the more he's gonna make more money, and he knows how to package himself. So when it comes to branding, marketing, and stuff, CASSPER is a genius.
Too much. Oh, CASSPER, yeah, CASSPER.
The genius in that way. He knew how to sell himself. The more people criticize him, the more money he makes. He knows how to get everybody talking about him.
But his songs, they don't last.
He does not have a lot of songs that last. He doesn't.
Oh, this album last time he wouldn't even play any song. Last time.
Oh, Ilaquaito.
Yeah. He won't even play any song. He left Sharabazola na.
And if you look at that, he only pushed one song, I think.
Yeah.
Zoita zone zoto donga zwa MIZO. So drop an album and then
the MIZO na MIZO we. Nyengo bara something afazwe ntobia budisiwa AKA amafungo ndia 2019 nomo mtoko kusori sim dope ndingwana wa Robert Komendena are AKA pindo are yes I went to school with him. We are both born on the 20th of Jan, literally an hour apart. He was my best friend in primary and high school. So sim dope, yeah, the mungana wa AKA obebuwa duali tihi hour apart. So yeah, you sim dope we hawe featured ya one ukradera kayo. Yeah, double bed ya cherede. There's Gabori, AKA Nene, Smazuri high. Nikara Amarembe, Yumtukana.
Yeah. So yeah, it was something. So it's been someone that is different. His AKA was a musical genius.
100%. But Panjibane ba rapper, but it was Zungozitu. One of us coming. Correct. So AKA he always like involved coming on his things. So yeah.
And one thing was what I liked about those two guys, CASSPER and AKA, when whatever they were doing, whether it's beef or in a competition in Awakai, it was feeding a lot of families.
Man.
That's what another thing that I really liked about it. And then if you look even towards the end now, those guys were no longer beefing. The beef was just online and what.
Yeah.
They knew how to make money out of people's curiosity, how people want to see other people fighting to enjoy. They were making money out of all that. So grand, they were fooling us somehow from time to time because the beef will be dying down, and va feel gore hey a be tšhelete ya gore jena the way a rete something mongwe a tofonya mongwe boom,
The business.
it was business.
Album aka bari iko ya panda iko
Yeah,
dova.
24th.
Yeah. I hivi mtu wata chere offer.
You'll see it now.
Ndozviona zvino.
You'll see.
Ndozviona zvino zori yeah. I think this will be the first most selling album
Yeah.
about South Africa hip hop.
Wow.
I think that one will be the most selling one. And K-One now in the joints.
They already started. They were recording. They were recording already.
So we're not sure how many songs they will record.
But
I
drop.
Hey,
Everything out.
everything out. And another drop the video of us out there. Yeah,
Yeah, there's one thing. If you look on that other YouTube channel,
yeah,
atitwamba Nix nga AKA.
Yeah.
Atitwamba Nix nga SABC.
Yeah.
And then to other people will be like, Mara, why is I posting? Because I'm waiting for the right time.
Yeah.
You know, I don't just wanna post.
NEMA for you, baby.
You know what I mean?
NEMA for you,
I
baby.
wanna post something.
Insurance for you, baby.
So I want like sometimes you wait. I wanted this whole thing to blow off.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, I'll start working on like maybe share some stuff or whatever. But yeah, man, I liked how this guy is like really done so much for SA hip hop.
Yeah.
One thing in this story, AK is gone, CASSPER is here. We don't care how CASSPER's career will go or what. He just needs to do himself. What people need to worry about now is since CASSPER and AKA were no longer like dropping and the hype was not there, why don't we have some artists like them who are doing the same? Like we don't have
the artists is good the way of business these guys have been doing.
You know, we just have artists.
Sustainability. These guys have been there
More
for
than
the
12
longest
years.
time, and they were rich. They are rich.
You know, because like it's been the longest, man. They've been in the game. So whether you know say I'm online or not, dude got money and he's okay. Come on.
I believe another AKA
Burna Boy.
Yeah.
I don't think it was necessary that Burna Boy can drop that track.
Yeah, like a freestyle stuff.
I don't see the importance of it.
I wanted to get.
That's the other line I wanted to get to. Let's look at it. The way AKA was shot, how was that gonna help him, even if he had a gun?
Those are going to always protect you.
Like
and the manumana unango video ine yo bafalani chama ayi manefala AKX kuzimela aitonga mtu ene kudoro renga masimba chipazani cha Somalia
aitonga mtu atokati wow
hey
so Burna Boy, I don't see the importance of that track, but yeah, it's done. Maybe because he's feeling guilty they never settled their differences, or he wanna cash in onto it. I don't know or what, but yeah, that other line that you get in the Filori, it threw the whole song off for me or what. But yeah,
Marana check Burna Boy market wa parnoi na the AKO muita
market,
yeah,
but right now he doesn't really have that market like before.
Yeah, Mara, yeah, now he's
a global artist, yes.
Now,
come on, it's that's as much to again. It's easy for those guys to even go global than Mashango Africa. Or in Nabu Shango Lawi. Population here, it's very huge. Which means your numbers skyrockets than any other artist. Obviously, it's easy for outside countries. to even come and say, you know what, we want you, we want to sign you, all that. Because when they're looking at the numbers of how much they're gonna make.
ikhomba nganthunga into mafhungo a vho Burna Boy na nthu ari khou pfa iṅwe interview ya Akon. Akon zwavhuḓi vhuḓi uri ndi ene o thomaho afrobeat hei ya Nigeria. Zwavhuḓi vhuḓi uri a khou nyanga uri a tshi saina T-Pain a khou sainela T-Pain a khou nyanga u mu itisa dzi beat dza afrobeat uri oḽa muzika u vhe nthu, then a mbo ḓi swika a saina ni khou ṅwana. So zwavhuḓi vhuḓi uri a kone uri ya heiḽa interview hone ya madi ntshekela yo
thi khou ḓa interview nṋe
heiḽa interview hone a khou interviewa nga sway a khou amba uri uri ndi ene zwavhuḓi vhuḓi futhi wo thoma uri hu fichariwa muthu o dumaho kha ṱireke hedzi dza dzi electro, o i thoma nga David Guetta. Sitshi uri mini
mara nda sa khou ḓo amba thi ana miṅwaha mingana hetsho tshifhinga Akon
upfhi mini upfhi nthu wa afrobeat,
father of afrobeat Fela Kuti. So
mara a i fani na hedzinoni dza vho
it evolved.
Sumbedza u khou amba heya zwino ya vho Davido na vho
the sound
na vho Burna
evolved.
Boy.
Why ene nyimbo dzo dzi sinayo
thina uri o saina vhathu o lovha Fela Kuti
ndi mukalahi begwalini Fela Kuti
o lovha
ndi kale muthu wa kale Fela Kuti
ndi ene wa na vhafumakadzi vhanzhi
Fela Kuti, the afrobeat, the father of afrobeat, it evolved, the sound evolved and grew with time.
Akon mara uri
Agari fhedzi zwiḽipi
tindela o vha saina nthu o vha saina vharini Wizkid.
Akon o swifarela no mona kha video ya tu
nda vhona o itela luimbo no pfhi
na Constatish
o feature to pfhi dzina
a khou repa a khou repa
ndo repedza zwa kwenda gore
a khou repa Akon o swifarela u tonga ndi vhona pimp ire broke
o tana dzi headline zwi dzi khou vhuya
dzi wave
or was the headline I mean the wave Akon convict music mara uri ndi ene wa ita uri muzika wa Nigeria u bhume nge a saina vhathu vha Nigeria na mini muzika wa dzi boom ola the khamusi nṋe ndi khou yamba zwone na interview mara ya interview yone
maybe you know this is what happens you can play a part of something but doesn't mean that so
ora tamba kupida
u ḓo ana abe muthu ngo bika muroho kana tshisewe wa ḓi vhona nyala havha na muṋo havha na hela zwithu fhedza zwo ṱangana zwo ita muḓifho une na khou ḽa wone that means muṅwe na muṅwe o tamba phathi yawe so ara Akon a khou feel uri and ita so ngo vhona sa thi I ndi uri ndi trap king ndi ḓo thoma na trap music Loda Chris na vha khou ṱoḓa tshiri hey ndi the king hey mini people will continue. It's like what but vha nga maanḓa uri vhone ndi vhone that the founder vho thomaho ndi nṋe ndo itaho mini but when you look at it they forget that there were people vhone vho wana muthu o ita something vha chopa that idea vhona so but riṋe maybe nga South Africa we were already listening to the Afrobeat before Akon signed someone and what comes otamba influence to grow it
otamba ito re be commercial
commercial no re be khulwa export ibe like ikono uba the wene yabangayo ngobona but asene ayethe hana bathu banyi ba
ni check interview ya Akon Kaswe
Akon this is funny What I do, I just listen. If I love your song, I'm going to post a video and I'm going, wow, I listened to this song, so I love it. If I don't love it,
and review the lyrics.
sorry, I'm going to break it down. Sometimes I know I can be harsh. I can sound heartless. But
so a beef MPUNA ni meaning
DC.
This
MPUNA ndizoditoamba zvezvo ti one voice yaMPUNA asi ya diso ti
ndapari kupera utongo man
no mtu ngomopera rini totoma voice yaMPUNA asi ya diso it's not a diss song hakonu
beat yaone asi ya diss
beat yasa tuduswa ka beat ndivaka voice yawe it's not for a diss song energy yawe chakatara too much all over the song. Lyrics zawe, they didn't have a direction. Ako tukurangia like ako soko tofara chili chapa na beat ya shumisa yone the beat ine what ya shumisa with a tribute aka it's an emotional beat, it's a sad beat. Okay. Ila beat lazima nazifazuri mtu ako express zore mbiruni yawo akufuba akuzamutaluchedza like you're telling a story mtu ara expect ra chinga zviita kare ka beat dzoralawo pari nyono rachakill komba kare notichipomba zvino komba zvakare ra chinga expect rena anga
zviita ndikori kamzi ndi inga track ebe kutodzirepera apo MPUNA
akyal
Titoda hama shahu
dani gwera livida unazwa vudi mratu wanga mara zvazvino please go back
MPUNA ai baba
unaro umwe vunda lupa
mafungo
besides the beat the
kadilite fast ngore but bakuma babuyai ba reply
no MPUNA you don't even need to reply just delete that diss song. I think na watu wana kumproducer kana bindira bakusokotoita just ufirikoita ngondofana urungora message
ada studio changanga arira
akashangora office munde fetch chimbira wako anishantana pasi wako toda zomunga
na ndieno from muzika wa hip hop wa VENDA.
I was happy this time ngo rap akusokota I was like okay he's rapping now but then
ufina rukidi wa mangai marandimba naye
nati chibai okay
ai ndotenda
it was not the first ningamuzori never na ningasizweni ngo disa but marokidi watu wazoko mdisa nga effort don't they have something
effort zawa zabukuma
yakuma ndifi
ibe kuma ngeti amini
ngoranga daraseza ne furdo duwanori na ino diambra suzaku
ndotenda
man it's just crazy
MPUNA word of advice
delete that song
ariko hana you need to release some stuff
delete that song
uvaitana buya hai
azokorodzanye
ai tobani focus akazumwe zvinyana nive shapo nivierere
take kaje chipinga chondanga beat aje chipinga chomwara
kana wana supervisor
pamuzi apa ndinoshanda sendezori azvambori bhinya kwa beat ngori imba kayo ninga kwa beat za 50
nananga nti
kana sinangena nti
muzwa aba faces nenda kubudza mumwe waimbi ndiri nazori vaimbi manji vaVENDA aba faces muzika naune vaita wone
they don't even know what they're doing.
They don't understand the process of music. They don't understand. Process of music is very hard to understand. The reason why ntinga cheka naona risi na pop ndofi pop genre ya pop okay ongwana genre ya pop ayiko kutoba kamsi afi download kuimba pop
And the other thing you're
What our first, but when you first music,
we don't even have the market for pop. Vendor different chakatera money. And then na muzika une abori.
na rembiabe yakonda.
Emona, come on la track ile tu angola mbuka na bari nyo madredzo
With V.
ai not with V. Omungone batho bari bazwe bafuna bodo mudisa na.
Pinyo madredzo.
Don't go for Western.
Oh, Chris Bang.
Yes. No one has met the records in the one matromba serious.
Hey.
Mara, because maybe market kind of marketing na radio they're not giving him an opportunity.
We are back. Yeah, lawyer Refuse Cover. Yeah, our lawyer is here. So hi. Namse awasi oi. Yeah, guys, you are protected.
So yeah, we're talking about MPUNA. I guess the boy needs to go back, drink board, try and refocus. Because whatever that he lost at that time and period that of life.
Yeah.
Come on. But enough about that. I saw MIZO is shooting a music video.
Yeah. Shout out to MIZO. Shout out to Z.
Yeah.
Z film. Z film.
Remember, I dropped a video last week. Last week, I think. So and I also text his manager, the guys.
Oh yeah.
The album.
What Bonifa?
No, they told me they are working on releasing a music video. Then I'm like, okay.
I'm not sure.
Let's wait and see, because like I'm gonna say it again.
What are Jennifer Jones in it?
Yeah. Like I'm gonna say again. The album One and On, if you mean Now and Then. That album is packaged well. It has the material for 2 years.
Yeah. I just want to say something kabam rapper. Nalo ya raya shiko zwifana mose. Ani tuba mu rapper wa bukuma arantushika ka stage chinei na rapper nga real life yam. Antushika ka level yoba mu rapper wa important.
You want him rapper ko Akon.
Wangwana boraso.
The only one.
Yeah.
Ufumi nora rapper chiri. Anana musadzi. A rapper. No nala musadzi. Okay, ndikauri muruti yeso.
Nagora na musadzi. Ndikombere bachekesa banabononga. That's why hip hop in America ne.
Yeah.
Hip hopping, because those guys
talk about
talk about real life.
Things that are happening.
Yes, things that are happening. Tupac na Biggie, they always talk about things when it was yeah. Yeah.
It was Lifarnane.
So that's why, and Nazina Rango check out on a trap in America.
Yeah, not trap
music. Yes, those guys, they're also singing, rapping about real life.
Things that are happening.
Zinofano.
Yeah, but I think that's the difference between your rap, hip hop, and your R&Bs and what. You know, when you do R&Bs, you just visualize and sing about love and what. But when it comes to rap, as you are saying, man, it's a real shit, man. It's things that you have experienced, things that are happening now.
Yeah.
That you need to bring it to fore.
But that's what Wambori, aren't with the hip hop, and you still giving us a fantasy. I mean,
we can't take it serious.
Then you're still very young. As you're saying,
you're still very young.
Like the boys we have at home.
Yeah,
they're rapping about the club life. Mutu waone na banga get liar ni. Have you denying a four?
So the club life, what? How do you know about the club?
You want to TV.
Oh.
You want to TV.
That's bioscope.
That's NEMA.
So, I see.
Real life. Let's talk about real life.
So we need to direct them, especially the young upcoming one.
Yes.
You need to direct them to say, guys, this is the way to go.
The young ones now, they're rapping about the Mumara, hey, what.
nga cheka vo Aries vo 25k barepa about what is happening in Pretoria that ara ku rengisiwa mini khonani uko rengisiwa
Yeah,
na bhaiza ngekuisiwa meaning no one
Yeah,
and that hip hop is popping because people can relate or
thank you. I wanted to use the same word to say, yeah, Vele, if you can relate,
yes,
then
people can relate.
the rest is history.
Americans, you know, Afro mini bafanda ku repa chiri hey bachimba khonani ngasimbe usiku hapa mini very ngisachimbe usiku
ari wenda kufana
otanganana
hold
Name the streets.
nditonga El Chapo.
Yeah.
Adi wenda kufana mtiyene akwambori I'm hardcore like Ifa.
Ngwana. But that's why Rwambori we still have like a long way to go. Ninga sirindinga El Chapo asadzulika seni yanu. Ngwana. Ndimo mtu ene noto mupfati. Mara una outine na dwechi dina hapa. Ngwana.
No, I'm listening.
Dombanga mapungu ene people can relate.
Ambani ngazipoti holu zina ziko vara ngamavu. Mimi kwambori it's
hard to relate to some things in mukane ngotana badani hapo alana guru imaro kwambore Lamborghini aiwa arbesere
Akon no drive angachechinga
ande wazori ni hapo kodigo mumrepa manyina hapo goro yapa ingafike gidi
jamrao
no rikotewa channel bakotewa serious ga you know una this thing you are just doing things just because una equipment, you have access to it, then you can just
you just run. Because if you look at this when Goosebump burst into the scene, Root Kid, those guys, they came with party songs. They found a way of saying, he caught the attention because this come on. Goosebump adanga maifia webo azibugulile chikare akorembusa maifi adipa bad mashonja popi, which is it's what the life that they're living. He's basing it on his own age and life never guy universe.
Mara ori venda lote huko repa watu bene bofuma kibena fomu mtu akurabanga kusiwana.
No, that's the Basha. No, they are not. The Israeli Combat Zone, the issue you want to say I'm like because in your hence probably you have a difference between a gangster rap and the normal hip hop rap. But the thing is that if even you now don't want to reimpose about your challenges, man, you can write so many songs, hits.
Josie guy man. That was Josie guy.
I guess like the Facebook life and the like just a fantasy life.
So I guess then you as a Kombori, you need to channel them.
Yeah.
I guess then they have to be a sort of a platform. You tell them in the platform, this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do.
Hey, interview about like SABC.
Yeah.
Hey, Akon manga AK.
Did I?
I'm going to get SABC Akon manga AK.
Yes. No, they want to record the right.
Facebook.
I saw that.
Avi none AKA guy.
That's what we live in a time in whenever to bachimona a celebrity kabo you can't access them. That guy is so big that come on.
No, I think NEMA but I don't understand the guy.
Hey,
They don't understand.
unonyadza chimwe chipinga.
I don't understand at
Unonyadza.
all. And then you suppose Facebook, of which some of them you don't even entertain them anyway. They don't like if they can ask you when did you see AKA Muna AKA. They don't know you. They don't know you understand. So if you're not going to entertain her,
AKA Simutu. Actually, Shangoni. Oh, no.
that's what come like,
Yes,
they don't know where you come from, where you started, because all these guys you sit them with them in the same room.
Dude, I remember when I was sitting. What is that other guy beside Burna Boy?
Okay, you don't have to explain.
No, I want to tell you something.
No,
I want to tell you something. There was a time, not Burna Boy, the time that it was Davido, WSP, your Skido, and what. The time I interviewed, what is these guys? Meda and the partner. Black Motion. The day I interviewed Black Motion or Skido. I did interview, I think his name is Casey. I did it was like African, kind of African concert, because it had all artists from Africa. And to some people, when I was walking up the stage, those that know me, well, some were like, "No, guy, what are you doing there? You're not supposed to be there." At that time, because I'm not wearing a tag on my neck doesn't mean. And then
mutu watu ni bachifaka mzeni chibani navo anepo kamsikani space like
your
Facebook
commodity, yes.
so mwana mtu achingwala na mu respond na mina mi utofonga hayati ayiwo fetu matina abadei muri ebuna
what's the name of that guy, the one on TikTok, the big guy, the one who's famous, the one
what guy?
The one you were with at Back to the City.
Back to the City.
The one who was rapping and who performed it Back to the City.
Oh, ngomba Rwana Kazi SA Awards.
Oh yeah, Awards, yeah. Landros.
Yeah.
If somebody you know Landros, even though you don't know him that much.
That Riamba Kati talk Riamba Kamini people like Nigozvipa. Ndabu so na interview ndare. Aya Landros naye urudo daga podcast. Nigozvipa.
The guy from Big Brother. The guy you had, the guy from Big Brother. There's some guys that I didn't even know, ne?
Yeah.
When Gale knows, he was busy with those guys. I'm looking like Gale. It's like when you are very old, these are the new generation. When you know your own generation, I don't look at you know some of the guys that have been within the industry long enough. These ones I'm learning from him.
But to arishala mapungo fi ni muvenda ingashikelele mini. Aya mapungo cut off abana. Nandi zofi ni muvenda ngasi amena wo AKA.
No, that's lack of knowledge. You know, as I'm saying, sometimes, especially on the Busia or whatever, you don't have to entertain those people. You know, I remember recording Back to the City, and then we were in this group, these other guys, small boys there. You know, the Back to the City of the 27, of the freedom day. Yes, and Ricky was there. And then NEMA said, "No, I must go and see Ricky." He called him. We went backstage.
What's one?
Those boys they were following just to see. This guy was calling Ricky like now. May his soul rest in peace, by the way. We went there.
May AKA soul rest in peace as well.
And you know,
who can macro manager NEMA? You don't have to explain.
When you don't have cow.
Yeah.
He had to post screenshot of his AKA on phone. I mean the meeting.
Yes. Thank you.
People that don't believe.
It's what I've seen, and that's where the problem comes now. When you start to entertain this mediocrity, he doesn't have to do that. You don't need to do that. The reason why the SABC people they sit down, but we got a person and a vendor and a industry.
Yes.
Shop there. You have to do this. You have done with these guys. We want somebody who knows him personally. Then, out of all the people, they said we are going to NEMA.
Who feel nandiko micromanager NEMA?
So yeah. No, I saw those posts. So I also like because I was like, no, if I were to comment here,
You know what we were talking about?
we are still mourning here. So
that day we're talking about him. This guy sees everything we post. And you never know he's looking at it.
You're wasting more time. Also, yeah, but DJ Khaled, Ari. Ningopenda chinga chinji, niko cheka zote ndikuita mimi, niko
around
improve.
people, yes.
You know there's something.
It breaks my heart.
It's like this. I'm planning real.
DJ Khaled.
Yeah. And then though, Fangambiru, those people back and go to improve their own life.
Because there's no need. Who am I lady?
Who feel it?
I thought last time I was told, but one more NEMA is washed out. He has nothing to do with music or VENDA.
There's nothing new to offer from him.
NEMA the leader to explain. NEMA asked me when I'm going to
I cannot bail.
Oh no, my leader. Oh, when it suits you.
No, Zugambore interview you're Robert True Baba Kodawa, my God.
It's another thing that we post that because it's become a poster, right? What I'm gonna do during there's a video that I took of AKA. I will just keep it as name. Let's keep as well. So let's just yambara za wantu so umrepa kwa tukono roba ona mini for robot mini robotech na we. So so I want to start the video okay, this is what I did AKA. Yeah, you guys can watch my interview. Yes, then I'm gonna post that interview. Yes, this one. Hey,
who the leader to explain? What to explain? Other leader, most of them to explain and going to the leader.
You need to know what.
You need to know what he does.
Thank you. Thank you.
But go where? It's not to explain to me. Hey, na bendera, hey, ini na mafunzanga man. Ara ningo amafunga serious kwa me. Gori emuna we are having back and forth mafunga ene.
Yeah.
And I'm sure instead of embracing what other people are doing, you're spending your time in
the thing I guess I've gone too quiet social media even to share what I'm up to or what I'm doing. I mean. Because if you look at it now, the only thing I'm always pushing is back to the city. And it's what I'm still gonna be pushing a lot. Come on.
I'm not going to say. You're also a guy.
Nice. Look, I said I know. Yeah, but then I know. Let's leave it that way.
And the funny enough, people, I never thought people. Now I posted that thing last minute, isn't it? Hey. I didn't even expect people to go and watch it.
No, some they will just as you are watching, it pops and then like
people that were online, people that called me. How did you do it?
They don't watch news.
They don't watch news. I don't know past 5.
Yes.
I don't know. I'm going to tell one. I want to be able to serious.
And it's just crazy how the world we live in now. Always one. Narenga teki, narenga poster, narenga mateki. I was na bogisi. The fake.
So yeah, what else? The
theory, these people don't know.
Yes.
Raso's face, ne? Jambo Rasoi, be fake.
He did the interview. On the national TV. In a accommodate everyone. Everybody.
Yeah. I only saw Kanya.
Only saw Kanya. Nabake guru ange. So now they AKA. They
Hey, what if I say something? It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart. Instead of joining us and embracing what we're doing, you are busy hating on someone instead of improving yourself.
People will be calling like, oh, I sent you a WhatsApp. I'm like, I don't use that number. Some will be texting. How did you do it? Hey man, I saw the interview. You should have said this and this and that. Okay. Why should I have changed what I was supposed to say?
So it's not like you go and prepare.
No.
Interview. You understand?
Actually, I tried to prepare. But I went the other way. The preparation went that way.
No. I mean, the questions that we're going to ask you, they're just going to ask.
Yeah.
You understand? So if you say you are preparing, you'll prepare And they'll ask you 1, 2, 3, and then they come and ask you different questions.
And
You must just know what
you have been in the industry for long.
Yeah.
Industry without preparing.
Yes.
You say what
you are.
And
then go to you just put it down.
It's like when we go Sophie, guy. Baba, Regina Matongolo, mini, that pasa mini, it's not something that you have to prepare. You can say, you can give a picture. Paint a picture with that thing.
No, I think
they must respect.
I think I think maybe we must do that mini documentary of NEMA from Sprite hip hop shows here. Para.
Damn, I just find it uncontainable.
Yes.
What people don't know, I'm one of the first people that interviewed Lolly Native at Sprite Uncontainable. Lolly, when Lolly won Sprite Uncontainable, no one could interview him before me. I had to interview him first. Then there is, I'm talking about major TV channels.
Yeah.
Then that interviewer. What was the authorization? No, I had the authorization. I was the main guy.
Yeah.
I've known Lolly for a very long time, man. That's why people don't understand Ori. The love I have for him and the respect.
You're too old to do those things.
Come on.
You just
come on.
It's either you follow or you don't follow.
Yeah.
You leave you down there when you're still saying, no, it's lying.
Why? For what?
And if you, it's not even that much active on the show.
Somebody came and asked me, how do you get to heaven? You keep on getting subscribers, but you hardly post. And what I said, I'm like, the work I've done years back is still relevant to other people.
Yes.
That's why they go back and follow
and subscribe. There's still more that is going to happen. Now, who think they go micromanager?
How do you manage me? That's my manager. They've managed me for the past what? 18, 15 years.
Where
am I leading? Because last time I checked, they told me I'm nothing on the
No, I guess during another point, in at least not to address your issue, not necessarily about you know, sometimes usually but VENDA, especially musi mtu ako grafa yuko gonya kamzika inini mrap or ni fan rap, instead of ni zamo follow that person, how does he do it? How do you do that? How are you going to grow?
You will not grow.
Bari bone wana utava muri mafura michero zvori washeredziwa wanechariwa zvokuda kutogomera wahura wava kandirene ngobona. So I'm hoping what Boma was saying that it needs to be done and what she's saying needs to be done for the documentary. At the end of the day, it has to happen. I guess it was supposed to happen, which was going to feature a lot of people, VENDA, but something happened. I'm hoping, something will come up.
Yeah, Nico, then I think, I don't know, was it Human Gale once posted or I saw it somewhere, I don't know, where I think it was a question where VENDA, people who have VENDA music, there's a lot of division, unnecessary division. You see, nika this industry, especially niba VENDA already, you're at a disadvantage already.
Yeah.
Or ni kono uvake ni crevule ni generate ngange. It's a hard work. It's a hard work. So ara already again koni wana no divide there. It's easier to run it and do the one boka kati bakomba right bachire wotamba music wotamba zama zoo atamba nti. Why? Because still no divide Canada, so it's easier to again but separate again more because and you're not unique. So other combats talk about documentary or stuff like that. Other go to the example and MIZO. Can we do 1, 2, 3, 5? Bella, can we do 1, 2, 3, 5? Can we do 1? Don't know the or how can no sharp. When no everything I'm on the beats, I'm not available, but they are available. They just don't want to say this is his idea. If I be part of it, then it means that even my fans now they're endorsing him now. He's his car is
And
going
if you
out.
understand, when I do things,
Yeah.
I used to do everything with the passion and the love.
bring a mic.
Go on. I'm a pungori. I want to make at Vendali a panda. Ribone something Zunezabori is better than just being requiem. If you look now, the other new generation in our industries, they are making enough money to even take care of themselves.
Hey.
Which means you can still do that in Limpopo Feds and make a lot of money. Mara division, disrespectful, and now group is another one or it's all about to push a hava radichava. See, Riambanga hava radichava. Nina cherede na hola cherede. It's a huge problem. Mondo honori artists go see in the blind. Other group worry because vachimraga crew. Like a Facebook in the crew. Now what you want to go to the way they are working life. In because nina watu bateveli banji and hola muna ondanga bia nga weekend. You need to jump in the numbers there so bateveli wano the devil speak. So in numbers one, you go destroy career mwana just because you feel you are threatened. Dude, we don't own the data. I keep saying this.
Okay, own the data now.
Then South Africa. Remember when I was, last year we spoke to Robot Boy's manager about data thing. And he was supposed to say, okay, we'll talk tomorrow. And he never came back. And then somebody said, why don't I follow up with him? And I told them that he feels the Robot Boy does not need to own the data. Because we don't have people that don't own the data. Who own the data.
Mara, ningasibe best upera muntu tuma na researcher kana na divazori home to beta mi nakoni research aitazona kwamba if you are really competing with someone
yeah, look at Roto. Roto rela Roto ti namus na hungo ba best na pirahula ndi Albani ndi Sasko. At the end of the day ndi Roto namus na hungo ba best Kendrick ngopira Jacob na Jacob ngopira Kendrick. If ndisi fori Zinezwa zukuimbwa J. Cole, I relate. Kendrick Lamar, I just love the party songs. I'm gonna go with what I relate. Which is what it's missing. Cover to band. They just do music. Nkabona Echnoni Watutu Banga. Watutu Banga knows how to make people dance. Fortunate. He knows how, even if he's using template and what, but he knows how to make people dance. Asozizazikoyerana iyani chitratani mbuzuri vana vakuimba dzila nyimbo na ini dzami dzikuimbwa nga vangani kobholo kumbiwa nga vatu vachitata nchahalu na muneighbor wamazvizori nyai
No, Fezan Chibori, people of South Africa are not ready for my music. My music is too. But Fezan Chibori, South Africans, they are not ready for your music.
Who's ready?
People are not ready.
That's what he said.
What do you mean?
People are not ready for the music.
You were saying, the fact you're in VENDA, you will suffer the most.
Mara VENDA pasapota. Abera zori ba VENDA pasapota. Ninga gold.
No, but
you know the number that is gold. My DJ a VENDA. See? I told me, not my DJ a VENDA na VENDA. I support muzika wa haya. Kazi sete zawo ti. Ningasona kutambwa muzika wa haya. It's rare. Namusula uko kwisa hani. They won't play. Wasiko filongari they're making you rich. I know okay, Nipro. Nipro na tendency yori akotamba in the middle of that niko jaiva ngona fashion but that chividze he like rek or I'm playing imbolo chibubuka na gospel somewhere and you see people crying. And I always say people don't understand Uri. Even though I'm talking about DJ, hey, you talk about industry for the longest time. But does he make people dance? Does he get people to cry? Now the switch is now as well. So I think too much Pingandi, how do you win people? After Country Blessing, I think people wanted the same sound.
Yes, this is what happened. And they went
and then Obonova more advanced.
According to him. It's like
so why people are not ready?
No, look, you can't say if you listen to Black Coffee, say we are not ready. I was going to say it's like Black Coffee. If you follow Black Coffee, you could just see the growth. But we never stop listening to Black Coffee. You can see the huge difference this every time when it drops. Yes.
Black Coffee.
Thank you. But
You know, I want to say something else.
I don't listen to Black Coffee. Mara, I don't follow his music. I don't follow his music. I don't follow his music. No, even though I've never followed Black Coffee.
Black Coffee.
So basically, that for me, that's what happens. Then I listen to Blue Coffee. Usually, the streamer Akon life in
I don't even think of listening to Black Coffee music.
Yeah,
I don't.
but I was just making an example to say.
Even back then, I've never thought of listening to Black Coffee.
Right now, Black Coffee, I don't relate to any of his songs.
No, that's a
I follow him, but their music is not for me.
They're too heavy.
No,
it's not ready for that.
Yeah,
I just doesn't click with me.
It's not ready. That's why it's playing outside there. I think he once said something like about this money, performance money and stuff like that. To say when they book you in UK, whatever. Even when you say I want 500,000, they like yes, they want to. They will make it happen. When you come back to South Africa, you say,
podcast and chill
give me 40,000.
Equal Daji. Podcast and chill.
The famous one that is going to the cinema.
Yeah, it got the cinema. So people must be ready for that one. Mara, let's hope it doesn't disappoint people, man. Hey,
let me tell you one thing. Even if it's boring, people will say it's right. Do you know never in Bivade or the celebrities or people that are up there? Namusia Angarofi or Monaru Azimba. Because he wanted to change the look.
It's called hard work. You see, hard work.
Yeah.
When you lay the foundation, it's a solid foundation. Whatever you do up there now,
people don't care. It's right.
They're with you.
Yeah,
it's the foundation.
The
foundation is solid.
Have you seen the defenders of MAKHADZI? The Ngani Sam of Monday, Monday.
Yeah. And MAKHADZI by Chapar.
That's what I'm trying to say is it's foundation.
Yeah.
Whether you're MAKHADZI, whether you are whoever, at the end of the day, when you do something wrong, people will always be with you. Bushiri, one of the examples. Whether you did money laundering, whatever, if you have done it, but they always say, this is our papa.
Our papa.
The foundation is it's solid. So I don't think it will be disappointment because the podcast itself is more more jokes than the real
also
thing.
It's well prepared. They tried and prepared because I'm gonna go back. Black Coffee has that thing, aka if you're asking stupid questions, he will shut you down same time.
They want to tell
but the podcast, they ask stupid questions. That one you must know.
No, they ask stupid questions, but they need to be
obvious. There are so many questions in it going to
they
ask stupid questions there. If you go there, you must just say, I must switch my what on because otherwise I'm gonna say something and then it's I don't regret. Yeah.
9 provinces, 1 guy
yeah.
Kind of provinces,
yes.
They got number.
God the cinema.
Guess what?
It's finally happening. Cinema.
But there's people that are saying Black Coffee was not supposed to go to podcast and chill. Or choose a platform. Ngauri ngapalani butso zondo budisi wana vini zote those of base or do favor end.
Boy,
mbuso yabo yori case ibone wasabina problem mbali achiya kadzi radio na newspaper achiyamba zvino yakwamba zvona abamuchuzira uri ayegai we are back to the same thing ori people will always have a problem with your decision that you take. So yeah guys, go check out podcast and chill.
Podcast and chill 9 provinces same time
Toyando
una cinema.
Oh, you're in Nigeria. Yeah, Tamba.
No cinema.
Hey, no cinema.
No. As you have.
Before
Phela cinema it depend before ngathumba zogonya.
before mandisi ngange unongopa dongono fi cinema.
NEMA. Before nigga chamba cinema. Where this podcast is going to play? Is it at Stenicanicor or is at the new metro? Where?
Yeah, it's playing at Sticky Necor.
So
Technical.
so where is it?
Don't
mind the pronunciation.
Sticky Necor. Iko namba Sticky Necor.
Yeah.
Yeah, iko namba Sticky Necor.
So you're not
No, I want to be cinema. I wonder what our movie you ever.
No, they
don't want to see cinema.
You don't want to see. I think next time we change it. The way shoot. I personally.
So I'm doing a podcast.
come on, make G's just there in Pazima. There's company there.
Yeah.
There's company there. We can do podcast there at that cinema. I know the house is pink, yeah?
Cinema and they're pink. So guys, go and watch.
That's the pink.
Yeah, so wait there. I think Ningazingana. Trailer over
23rd.
Yeah, trailer over. Yeah, ako buso timbuso nyana pala. Utonga mara uko pindu sa timbuso nga straightforward. Nifi black coffee. Minimin.
No,
I will see.
But you know the good thing about the McG podcast.
Yeah.
Even the ladies behind there are so many in that podcast. They can ask questions. They can get the
I don't know about and two what's your ghost lady. See India and the interest.
and
Ghost lady was you. We want to solve pets.
No, what better than Muslim?
Aye, ghost lady was you.
Not the
So guest.
so this one it will be only Sol Penduka
Yeah, we don't want to solve penduka na make GP.
only.
Ghost lady kaya guest to was you.
I'm a jolly.
Because I see now they even have this sensible way when the legal part is so strong
then
now.
you check fact.
Yeah, they use this. Yes, they are so there.
So
and I was like, they don't know that here we move with there. We don't have to. We just go.
So ghost lady do ba on other friends of podcasts and chill.
No, who not doing that's a guest.
The friends of podcasts and chill.
No, better. Okay.
The friend you are on.
But
If I dedicated podcast for that person. Who want that? Bukati.
But you know, when I look back, man, big up to McG. I remember that back in the days when they started this whole thing. No, I'm not gonna prove anything. I'm not. Come on. Even when we do that, even if we not done when it's which it was into, which way was that videos nga zoom na mini. You had to wait on the line. Make them not nga zoom, no zoom na me. Like looking back on where it started. Yo man, it's been years. And it's been a lot of work. I'm proud of what he have achieved. Oh, come on.
Yeah, we're sure.
I'm proud. Lin Maleko, I know, man. You were one of the people that pushed McG. Uras no give up, even when you were getting 15 views and 100 views.
What am I saying?
Yes. Going. When I speak about that, the other one, the father. I know what this one is. The one is the mother. The father.
Yes.
The father was on 21K.
Yes.
Viewer, subscribers.
Yes. You see? What about Biggie Macanier.
Yeah, man, big up McG. I'm not gonna say a lot of things, but yeah, I'm saying big up. Cool.
I go for an airport. Olive Kanya.
Yeah, Godfather.
Sticking a car. MAKHADZI go for you for one.
Yeah, one Collins, the vet. Okay, this
veteran.
This is what I'm gonna say it. VENDA rap king. Legend. Yeah, look.
Leave the allegedly part.
Yeah.
Allegedly. So
location is dangerous. Actually, me and Warren. I thought that sometimes
rimwani utota maruva ni mulimi omtu
MAKHADZI otuwa ayatorera otuwa na Collins Mashawana. Colin Mashawana, I'm sorry, I keep calling Collins. Colin Mashawana otuwa aya na Colin Mashawana Foundation bakotorera vana va SABC liwa kusa grocery na uniform and offering counseling arekotodeya for vana na family. So big up. Rara zubona to akosema MAKHADZI rangu arufuni. Ba hanguri moni ba balo atete bomoro me yabo nabo. Maria, she went there and then Wesa Zuba is as one. Na Old Mutual away home.
Old Mutual.
Yeah, Old Mutual Foundation. So they were working hand in hand.
Hand in glove or hand in hand. Which one was inside?
Glove mini. Glove mini.
Which what?
Glove in what? Kuruwa MAKHADZI. Before she vala lawyer shiri miningange before janaka wari ambitious ita mini abavare nganepo bambe mafungo pedzisa
rikoli vara
kori mafungo abo pedzisa ndiafiyo podcast yobuya ke aka aka orisia
Ndamana larandika
Look, guys, I'll say in parting shot.
Yeah,
you know,
parting shot.
Yes, our hearts are broken, guys. What happened to
Aka?
To Aka, aka guys? Joe, man. Yeah, you know, I won't say I'm still not. But yeah, our hearts are broken in a way. But guys, it's life, man, guys. You know, we lost. I just mentioned him now. We lost Rick, and then those are powerful hip hop
icon
artists. And then now you lose AK. The way they took his life, man. It's
it's very
So I'm parting short to say today they buried him today, and I didn't even watch or try to watch because it's
painful.
Yes, it's very painful. It's very painful when I look at
America.
When South Africa is becoming like that in a way. We say that now because we know AK, but
other
people that are dying like that almost
I can't
every
really
day.
say
But
we're living like in America. I would say now we have access to see what things that are happening. Back in the days, these things will happen, but because social media was not that active, it limited us to have access to a lot of information.
But to superstars,
not superstars.
Yes, now we're talking about superstars.
We're talking about superstars.
We're talking about superstars that they're dying like flies, man. It's if you're a big artist now or you are in business, you also now start to think, guys, what's happening? Now you start to think maybe do you need bodyguards all over because when you look at that clip, you could see that probably if there were bodyguards, they could have been avoided. Now you start to think now. Do you need to go everywhere with a bodyguard? Do you need to? It's the life that we need. You need to live.
CASSPER said when he's in a hotel, he's gonna have a bodyguard at the door.
No, but that is he's reacting.
We did not. No, we did it before. It was like a week before or a few days.
No,
before.
Mara, it was triggered by.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's why it's a reaction. It's not proactive.
Yeah, over react.
Anyone who's going to say, but
because
now
Uri people did warn them before. Now somebody was warning you. Hey, Mara was jelly.
I don't know if continue. When we are talking about DJ somebody, okay. We had R5.
R5.
Yes, R5, man. I don't know if you spoke about that funeral, man. Yo, man, people don't respect the dead anymore. That funeral was work, man.
People must behave how you work.
No, but the thing is, no. Yes, man. You know, it played they in this channel 157. They did what is it? Tears after tears. Yeah, they played after tears.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, Babala.
Yes, man. No, man. No,
Marco de
no,
Swindis.
no, man. No.
Yeah, they can get chapu.
It's bad. It was bad. No.
This TV they edited.
Yeah, TV they did it, but
Live, never know live. Yeah, but hey, live.
I know.
No.
And the
Hey,
fact
when I'm looking at contract traffic.
Eh.
VENDA.
Pitori, social.
no. That because even the family they were complaining that they would just say now, please, can this end now? Can we just finish?
I guess sometimes, Barry, if you live like a gangster and your gangster start behaving like how you behaved on their other members' funeral, they'll do the same with you.
But
Bacardi, I don't know much. Mara Bacardi music represents more of
nakedness.
but Majavia on. I've seen some of the dances.
Yeah, look. He said, yes. What he was doing, it's not like it was him who has been.
He was being an entertainer.
It's them who were, when he was playing the streets.
Why would you buy MAKHADZI when you go Vura?
Man.
We are Vuring a mini.
That it's where now we spoke about 50-51 spoke in that podcast to say 50 does not work everywhere.
What means a Vuri?
Can you try it and stand there?
And on that funeral, the other one that I laughed a lot. When I was watching, no, it was not. Yeah, okay, the way he was killed as well, it was not cold blood, especially when you're killed. Like the way they kill AK when they come from behind or they come on the side before you yes. So this thing of talking at the funerals. I didn't watch his AK's memorial service.
Yeah.
But as I'm saying, I watched the 5 rand. So I'm coming to.
I struggle to call his name for the longest time.
The reason why I want to put this in is because of that 5 rand part.
Yeah.
So this guy is talking about R5, right? He's giving a speech there. He doesn't know the guy's called R5. He keeps saying 5 rand. 5 rand. 5 rand, what? 5 rand. And I'm like, you see, it's those.
5 rand.
And he's talking about this guy was a good piece. This guy, he wants to find a child in the street to give money. I'm thinking, this guy, you don't even know the guy. There's no way. There's no way that you.
No, I don't know Ziwa.
They just saw R and 5. Then that's R5. They said 5 rand.
Is what you know they was like this guy from everybody at modern set. That's what I watch I'm not gonna go back on my statement. I'm flipping disappointed.
Hey, Marakezo, we want to
okay, guys, we are about to close. We are closing. We are closing right now.
Our lawyer is now activated, but we're closing
because I reached 1 million.
Yeah, ambitious in
the blueprint and
hip hop.
We can name hip hop South African and we can still.
So AKO about ambitious.
Look at this. This is what's happening. Ambitious only contributed with trap
2 or 3 people.
It's just
2 people.
Ringavar kwamba ndichipinga cha msu MTH nge ramba na Aries ramba na mkomo na Aries barinyi benchmark
Bababi.
Ola msidzana na ako feature abantu. She didn't really do anything.
No,
so
Miss Pro.
You know what? Sometimes
I feature the same people.
And another thing, not them David now, I'm David not goalkeeper. Now what I'm in North doesn't make you you are the best team. Yeah. I'm alright.
Thank you guys for the support. This is another episode, Street Talk Podcast. Do the right thing, man, and subscribe on the channel.
That subscriber button.
Yeah, this is a Ballman Gale, Mister. I do this all the damn time.
This is the boy Marago on the Gara. I'm here. The name.